Windows everyone. In this video I'm going to explain you 5 things which is destroy your computer. A lot of people doesn't understand it, that these things are actually destroys their computer. And you are a new watcher, yes, you new watcher in my YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and we will start now. So what are these things? The first thing is a cyber attack. For example, you go into the suspected site and you don't have antiviruses. You starting to make action there. You press your links, and the time when you're clicking on this site, your private information going to the hacker's hand. And when you private information going to the hacker's hand, it's like a bait. You just throw your bait to the lake, and as I talked in my current videos about the hackers, how they work, and then you just, they wait when their prey will come. For example, you are a fish, but this hacker is waits for its prey. And here's the 5 things which you need to avoid. First, a cyber attack. Be careful. If you want to get informed that this site is suspect site, you have to install antiviruses. So what antivirus do? Antivirus detect the dangerous sites which can take your private information and share it everywhere. So to avoid that, you have to have a great antiviruses. I recommend you to install Asset Smart Security. This is really great program. So this is not publicity right now, which I'm doing right now. This is a recommendation for you. There are a lot of kind of antiviruses. Asset Smart Security, I don't know, Kaspersky, but in my case, if I could be in your place, I could select the Asset Smart Security, because this program works even when your license is out of the date. It's just continue to defend your computer with no matter that you didn't pay anything. But if you pay, it starts to 100% protect you and block plus ads, which we will talk right now. So second is physical, the outside damage. So outside damage, we can say that physical influence. For example, you took your device from shelf, and device come down from your hands to the ground, so device got a damage. So that was a couple days ago that I just or a month, I just don't remember. I just took my device from my shelf, and I just played. That was the other device, all right. I just tried to play the GTA 5. When device come down from my hands, I opened the computer. Computer doesn't go to the GTA 5. Why? Because I damaged the video card. So be careful. Third mistake: ads. So when you're doing something, when you going everywhere from phone, it doesn't ever matter which device you have. Almost all applications right now have ads, right? These ads actually damage your system. Whatever it is, it actually damage your system. You have to block all ads and start using application without ads. So if you don't have money, if you don't want to pay money for that, you just don't install it, or install mod application. But be careful. This mod application can work for profitable for you, but this mod application can take your private information and share it. This mod application can be modded by the hacker. Be careful. Don't, just download this mod application only if you are sure that this application is not controlled by hacker. But in my case, I recommend you to pay money and block ads. Third is cookies. So what does that mean? In almost every site, when I'm going, every website, just want me to accept all cookies. So these cookies damage your device. Majority of people didn't know about it, right? So now you know. Now you know that these cookies destroy your computer. You have to block it. You have to find a way to block it. There are a lot of applications. For example, you can, if you want to block automatically the ads, you have to install ad blocker, cookie blocker. I don't know, whatever you're doing, avoid from cookie exception. So the fourth, I have a list here. All right, hacker suspected links. Never ever click to the link which is, for example, all right, you're going to the site and someone shares their link, a suspected link. You clicking there and your information, boom, in his hands. And what he's doing, you know, when men just throw it to the bait to the lake and fish is coming, he say bingo, but you lose. You say, nothing happened, I'm just gonna go out. But no, everything is happened there. Your private information is in the hands of the other people right now. Is a fourth, right? Or fifth? Alright guys, that was 5. I talked about 5 mistakes, 5 things which is destroy your computer. And if you want to just avoid from damaging your computer, you have to follow these rules. I say 4, 3. I don't know in which the number I'm just telling you. All right, I just want to share you that the things which destroy your computer. And if you want me to teach you a lot about the computer is not actually the thing which if you can just turn on, turn off the computer, go to and make some action, it doesn't mean that you know computer well. No. Here's a little details which is damaging your system, and the system loses quality after long time. First of all, you can't just see these damages, but in time by time you can see that the device actually loses its quality. So be careful and avoid these things. So if you want me to teach a lot about these, go to the comments, and hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Turn on the notification to be notified when I will upload a new video to the YouTube. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I want you to remind that if you don't have antiviruses, go and install the antivirus SS Smart Security. Link will be in description down below. And the good thing is that if you're first time installer the SS Smart Security gives a 1 month free trial, and you can just try it and you will see that everything works okay. If you had some viruses, this one is gonna automatically block these viruses. And sometimes if you will try to download the file, you say, oh Jesus, I'm just gonna download the application, and click in here, what happens? The SS Smart Security blocks you the way. So it's okay. It doesn't mean that you have to delete the SS Smart Security stuff which is destroy you. No, it actually detected something suspect in this application. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Stay with Windows. I love you.